Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this Lakme Fashion Week Kareena Kapoor inspired makeup look. So let's get started. I am applying a little bit of primer. It's an illuminating primer to prep my face for the foundation. She doesn't have too much going on, but her skin definitely looks pretty healthy and dewy. Next, I'm using a medium coverage foundation. The main idea behind this makeup look is to make it look as non-cakey, beautiful looking as possible. So the aim is not to look flawless, but to cover the visible flaws and work on the texture of the skin. So I'm just quickly blending it all over my face, and as you can see, it has worked really well in covering all the blemishes and spots. Next, I'm applying a concealer under my eyes. I'm not going too light there because she doesn't have highly highlighted or brighter looking under eye area. So I have just applied half a shade lighter concealer and blending it really well. And I have applied a very little quantity because we don't want caked up wrinkly under eyes. Next, I'm moving on to my brows and I'm filling them nicely. Her makeup has bold brows. So I'm making sure that my brows are filled very nicely and then brushing them back in place. On her eyes, I can't see anything. I don't think she has any eyeshadow applied on her eyes, but I'm using a very natural looking metallic cream eyeshadow just to bring some light. Blush on her cheek looks very prominent and it is a peach tone blush. So which is what I'm going to do today. I'm applying a very nice matte peach toned blush and applying it nicely all over my face and a bit on my nose. She has a hint of brown eyeliner towards the outer corners of her eyes, like towards outer 3/4. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not winging it out or anything. I'm just applying a brown eyeliner and have smudged it a little. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying some mascara. She doesn't have falsies on, so I'm also applying 2 coats of mascara and then finishing it up with a neutral lipstick. So this is a beautiful brown tone lipstick and the makeup is done. It's a very beautiful fresh face, everyday kind of natural looking makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next video. Till then, thank you.